Hello, I'm here tonight to record and give you an example of this. Coloring pages, roses in a pot. And my name is Artie Circle, or Circle, for short. And here, let's start tonight. Get right to it. So here we got the brush size and the color of the roses. We're gonna, let me get the pencils. The program for this tutorial is Platform Pro. Matter Pro is the program name. And we're gonna color it, what's it, roses, yes, strawberry. So that's the color for tonight. Now, can I use? Let me get out of this zoom. Picking up another color. So if we want to zoom into color, this is a digital page that I'm putting in cool. So I'm setting this page, and if you're interested, you can go there and get it and see how easy it is that to color it with. I'm using the mouse because my arms are very limited, so and it does good. So I'm gonna let it. You can either use a program to color if you like, or if you want to just print it out and color it. It's just one page. See, just like this. And that's all. That's all you have to do. Just color like that. I went over a little bit, but you know what I mean. Clover is for the stem. That is, I'm just showing you just a little bit. That's how you can color, and it's very relaxing, very soothing. Coloring a page like this. And I'll be bringing some more pages and digital stickers, and then you can print out too. And then you can use them for your digital calendars. And I'm also gonna bring some other notebook. It's a digital notebook that I just created, and I'm going to put it to sale pretty soon. And these are the products that I have, and this is how easy it is to color, even in person. I mean, if you want to print the page and do it, or you want to get a program to color the page, you can. You can do it too, if you like, or you can just print the page and give it to your child, your kid, one of your children, and let them color while they're going to the doctor or somewhere. Just keep them entertained and get some colors, and that's it. So, okay, well, that's all my tutorial for right now. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.